In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an event in Mighty Networks. Now, the first thing you want to do, in case you don't have the space over here, which is called events, and if you can't actually access this where you can basically create new ones, you want to first create a new space either by clicking over here or by going to those three dots inside General and clicking Create a Space. And then from here, you should be able to see inside Space List, there's a bunch of different things. And here under Single Feature Spaces, you have Event as well. You can view the template, you can go ahead and name it, and whenever you're ready, you can just create your space and you'll get the access to this events space over here. Now in here, to actually create the event, you want to go to the top right, click on Create, and then click on Event. And then from here, you first have to give it a title. So for example, I'm just going to do meeting over here. There we go. And then of course here you have to set your event time. I'm just going to leave it like it is over here. You have to select if you want to repeat it or not. And then you can also give it a header image or video by clicking here, selecting the image or the video link over here. And then you have to add your description here. So of course, the description for what the event is going to be about. And then you have the ability to also select your event type here. So Zoom, external live stream, text chat, or of course inside the community over here. You could also make it online or local. And then here you have a bunch of different additional options that you can of course toggle if you want to as well. Once you've done that, click on the post button up top and that will basically create your event. And then of course you can select if you want to notify all members about your new post or not. I'm going to do notify, and then there we go. The event is then going to be live. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.